Okay, let's take a start. How often do you use mobile phone?
Well, to answer your question, I use my mobile phone very often, in fact, every day.
This is a very short answer. You need at least 4 5 sentences so that examiner could evaluate you. How often do you use mobile phone? I use mobile phone 24 by 7. As there are so many social media apps and I chat with my friends and I am online 24 by 7. So to answer your question, I use my cell phone all the time. Something
Yes.
like this, okay? 4 5 sentences. Let's go on. Can you describe your mobile phone?
Yes, currently I have iPhone which is in golden color and it has space of 28 GB. It has many features. You can say that I have my mobile like mini computer in my hand.
It's written here, okay? Come up with your own ideas,
Yes,
original
sir.
ideas, okay? Yeah. What was your first mobile phone?
I don't remember exactly that. It was Nokia, and the model of my mobile was 3310. Uh,
Okay, 3310. It's in Punjabi. It's 3310. Very popular mobile of Nokia. Okay, would you like to buy a new mobile in the future?
to answer your question, I don't have any plan to buy a new phone because my mobile phone has a good space. The feature which I want in my mobile is currently I have, so I don't have any plan to buy a mobile phone in future. I'm happy with my mobile
Okay,
phone.
don't say in the beginning to answer your question. That's what you can say at the end. So, to answer your question, I have no plans to change my mobile. First, you said buy a new mobile, then you say change my mobile. Okay, what's your favorite mobile and why?
My favorite mobile is Note 10 because it's a tab-like structure, and the most important thing about it, it's a great space in it.
It has got great space in
It
it.
has got
For space, you can use the word storage.
storage in it, and I can easily use the email because I'm a working woman and I usually like to watch my emails through my mobile instead of computer.
This last answer is good, huh? So just speak like this, okay?
Okay.
Express more, at least 5 6 sentences.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.